Fourth concept of OOPS, object-oriented programming system, is inheritance. Inheritance is the process of creating new classes from existing classes. One class will be there from which we can create another class. Such a process is known as inheritance. The new class acquires some or all the properties of old classes. So new classes are acquiring. If required, you can send all the properties to new classes, and if it is not required, you need not send all the properties. So whatever properties you are interested, you can send only those properties to newly created classes. Such process is known as derivation. So derivation is nothing but deriving a new class from existing class. The old class is referred to as parent class or superclass or base class, and newly created class is known as child class. Because it is here referred to as parent class, here it is referred to as child class. If it is known as superclass, here it is known as subclass. Here if it is known as base class, here it is known as derived class. And child class is a kind of parent class. See, in case of children, it is often whenever a new baby borns, then immediately we say the baby possesses the characteristics of she looks like, he looks like. So child class is a kind of parent class. So here it is a graphical representation of inheritance. So there is parent class or base class or super class. It is having its own features from which we are creating child or derived or subclass. So here it is supposed to have both parent class features and also child class features. So please remember, we can control this one. That is acquiring the parent class features. It can be controlled and managed. And child class is a kind of parent. So this is more important. So inheritance implements is a kind of relationship. What are the advantages of inheritance? New classes possess existing class features. So child classes can possess both parent class features and also child class features, and new features can be added to existing classes, and at the same time existing classes remain unchanged. They get no disturbance whenever we create new classes. Thus it provides code extensibility. This is the main advantage of inheritance. By defining a new class, what we are achieving is we are achieving code extensibility. It is not code reusability, instead it is referred to as code extensibility. It results in cost reduction because we are not creating altogether a new class, we are simply extending a new class, we are deriving a new class, so it certainly results in cost reduction. Now let us look at different types of inheritance. First one, it is a single inheritance in which one class is derived from another class. This is known as single inheritance, one parent and one child. And multiple inheritance, that is a class is derived from multiple parents. This is known as multiple inheritance. Next one is hierarchical inheritance. Multiple children are derived from single parent. Multiple children are derived from single parent. This is known as hierarchical inheritance. Next it is multi-level. That is B is derived from A, C is derived from B. So in this way one class is derived from another class. So here if we look at B, B is one way child to A and another way it is parent to C. So such kind of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. Next it is hybrid inheritance because more than one form of inheritance is involved here. This is multi-level inheritance. Look at here. This is known as multi-level inheritance. If you do not have A, it is having multiple parents. So whenever there are multiple parents, it comes under multiple inheritance. So hybrid inheritance is a combination of multi-level and multiple inheritance. And lastly, multi-level multi-path inheritance. That is, we can easily understand this is multi-level inheritance. But in order to reach D, we can come via B or we can come via C. That is the reason why it is known as multi-level multi-path inheritance. So in this way, there are 6 types of inheritances. This is about part 1 of OOPS concepts. Thank you.